Tri-state tornado, 1925. On March 18, 1925, the deadliest tornado in American history tore across Missouri, Illinois, and Indiana. It stayed on the ground for over 350 kilometers, destroying entire towns in its path. Winds estimated at over 480 kilometers per hour flattened homes, schools, and farms with almost no warning. By the time the storm finally disappeared, 695 people had lost their lives, making it the deadliest single tornado ever recorded. 2004 Indian Ocean Tsunami. It began with one of the most powerful earthquakes ever recorded, a magnitude 9.1 beneath the Indian Ocean. Minutes later, enormous tsunami waves raced across the ocean at jetliner speeds. Some waves reached over 30 meters high, crashing into the coastlines of 14 countries. Entire villages vanished within minutes, and more than 230,000 people were killed, making it one of the deadliest natural disasters in modern history. Mount Tambora eruption, 1815. In April 1815, Indonesia's Mount Tambora erupted with unimaginable force. The explosion was heard over 2,000 kilometers away, and ash blasted high into the atmosphere. The eruption was so powerful that it changed Earth's climate. Temperatures dropped around the world, crops failed, and 1816 became known as the year without a summer. Millions suffered from famine as food shortages spread across continents. Typhoon Tip wasn't the strongest storm ever, but it was the largest. At its peak, the storm stretched nearly 2,200 kilometers across, making it wider than many countries. Massive waves, destructive winds, and torrential rain battered parts of the western Pacific. Even hundreds of kilometers from its center, the storm was still producing dangerous weather. Great Blizzard of 1888. In March 1888, one of the worst snowstorms in history buried the northeastern United States. Snowdrifts reached over 15 meters in some places, trapping trains, collapsing buildings, and cutting off entire cities from the outside world. Powerful winds created complete whiteout conditions, and more than 400 people died as freezing temperatures and heavy snow brought daily life to a standstill. European heat wave, 2003. During the summer of 2003, Europe experienced temperatures unlike anything in modern history. In some regions, temperatures climbed above 40 degrees Celsius for days. Rivers dried up, crops failed, and hospitals became overwhelmed. Scientists estimate that more than 70,000 people died from the extreme heat, making it one of the deadliest weather events Europe has ever experienced. Hurricane Patricia, 2015. In October 2015, Hurricane Patricia rapidly intensified into one of the strongest tropical cyclones ever recorded. Sustained winds reached around 345 kilometers per hour, with even stronger gusts. Fortunately, Patricia made landfall in a relatively sparsely populated area of Mexico, preventing what could have become one of history's worst hurricane disasters. Even so, the storm caused widespread flooding, landslides, and severe destruction. Which of these weather events shocked you the most?